Okay, folks, I've been doing some work on the little Toyota Sienna Minivan. One of the things I've done, I added a turn indicator over here in the front because on the side you can't see that turn indicator there. I've got the four-way flashers on. Now, up on top of here, out of a piece of half-inch plywood, and as you can see, the green strobes in addition to the amber strobes, and of course the other lights I've had up there for a while. Now, this is my square point shovel. You can see I use plumbing or electrical connector parts. That's not PVC pipe, but ABS. A bolt that I drilled a hole through with a hairpin cotter pin in. Spare tires mounted up there also. And from the rear, this is what you see when I have my strobes on now. And my four ways. So that's that part of the story, and I'm done with that. There's a wire running along the side in there. I can turn this thing off.